Thank you, Bob. This bears repeating. Welcome to the first external Tanzu and Dell Tech Summit 2020. And welcome to all of you from around the world. I saw Mozambique and Spain and Mr. Tan from China, which, by the way, it's midnight there. So big shout out to you. I'm Courtney McShane, responsible for the global relationship between Tanzu Modern Apps Business Unit and Dell Technologies, VMware's largest partner in terms of revenue. My team and I are dedicated to accelerating growth with our joint solutions, Tanzu on Dell Tech infrastructure. And I'm so beyond grateful to Bob Ganley and the Dell team for being a partner in organizing this summit. So I'm going to start with two quotes. One from my VMware family and the other from Dell. Sanjay Poonen on CNBC stated, "It is truly VMware's birthright as the leader of virtual machines to own the container market in digital transformation. That's why VMware's largest ever investments were made in Heptio and Pivotal and Bitnami." Dennis Hoffman, SVP of Corporate Strategy, now Telecom Vertical from Dell, says software does not land on software. Today, we will share how we bridge both of these leaders in technology with the ultimate goal of modernizing your applications and infrastructure to deliver better software to production continuously. Over the next 5 years, enterprises will build 500 million logical apps using cloud-native tools and methods. That's equal to the total number of apps built over the last 40 years. The market is unstoppable. Us, consumers, are demanding simplicity at the touch of a button. If Uber doesn't have a ride available in minutes, switch to Lyft. When Airbnb is booked, head to VRBO. If your banking app doesn't have the ability to deposit a check via camera, switch banks. I wouldn't walk to a physical bank to deposit a check, and neither would thousands of other customers. This is an enormous change in how we do business, a big shift toward the digital economy. So how does Kubernetes come into play? According to a survey conducted by IDC on container infrastructure software, 97% of respondents are using a Kubernetes-based platform today. By 2023, about 54% of container instances will be deployed primarily in the data center. And by 2025, nearly 2/3 of enterprises will be prolific software producers with code deployed daily. This represents significant change given that many enterprises and many customers and many organizations today continue to deploy code on a monthly or quarterly basis. Modern apps run on containers. 451 Research reported 95% of new apps use containers, prompting enterprises to begin their cloud-native journey. So what's happening is projects are shifting to products. Waterfall methodology is now lean and agile methodology, going from monoliths to microservices, from Java to Spring, from batch to Kafka, from virtual machines to containers and Kubernetes, 3-tier architectures to hyperconverged infrastructure, and management silos to multi-cloud, multi-cluster, multi-team. Going cloud native leads to faster release cycles, developer productivity, improved stability, more innovation, and lower costs. These are not insignificant organizational shifts. In fact, this changes the whole dynamic of an organization. It's a true culture change. And this is where VMware Tanzu thrives, in helping enterprises realize the value of cloud native each step of the way. Build modern applications, run Kubernetes consistently across environments, and manage it all from a single point of control. And we have a wide range of customers who have already forged ahead on this journey, leveraging Tanzu on Dell Technologies infrastructure. These are happy, repeat customers thriving from the joint solutions, engineered, maintained, and continuing to evolve between Tanzu and Dell Tech. The goal of this summit is not to keep this a secret, to allow more organizations to benefit from our joint offerings. If you're interested in hearing from our customers, many of them have spoken at Dell Tech World, VMworld, Spring One, and can be found on YouTube and social media.